Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to Ernest Reviews. Today I'm going to review VidBox. VidBox is going live on the 24th of August at 11:59 p.m. EST. Before I start the review on VidBox, let me give you my earnestly awesome bonuses once you decide to purchase VidBoxes from me by clicking the link below. And this bonus is available only till August 30th at 11:59 p.m. EST. So grab it fast to benefit my bonuses plus also the bonus of the vendor. Bonus number one, done for you autoresponder templates. You get 100 plus plug and play email marketing auto response messages. Bonus number two, done for you email marketing templates. You get 49 done for you email written exclusively by an email marketing experts. Bonus number three, you get done for you logo design. Get instant access to 38 eye popping ready made logos you can use for your products or business. Simply choose a logo, customize, and you're done. Bonus number four, HDMP4 video backgrounds. This is a full HDMP4 video background that engages your audience, gets your messages seen, and helps you stand apart from the billions of other videos on the web. And apart from the earnestly awesome bonuses, it is raining bonus with 20 exclusive vendor bonuses. Later in the sales page, I'll also show you what are the 20 exclusive bonuses that you will be getting. Now let's go to the product. What is VidBox is a push button technology, creates YouTube short videos, drives tons of viral traffic and profits. When the world is using YouTube, the fast source of getting target leads in for their business and for their content on digital platform, you may not understand the technological algorithms, how to use all the digital platforms in terms of traffic. So here is a highly advanced software to solve your traffic issues. Presenting VidBox. It is a push button technology that creates short videos and reels to publish on YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram and drive viral traffic to any of your office. VidBox is packed with tons of cool features. VidBox creates video from text, creates video using video clips, creates videos from images, adds voiceover to any videos, adds background music to any videos, creates voiceover in 150 plus voices in 30 plus languages, simple video editor, add logo and watermarks, free stock images and videos, multiple video quality like HD, 720 pixels, 1080 pixels, etc. Inbuilt music library, share video on social media, drive unlimited viral traffic, capture unlimited leads, create unlimited videos for any niche and offer, create short videos from any text or script in just 3 simple clicks, create videos using your own images or search images with keywords, drive unlimited traffic and sales to any offer or pages. VidBox does everything for you. You need not have to worry about it or take training to how to go about doing videos for your niches. So here are all the extra reason that you need to grab your hands on the VidBox. It is an outstanding technology which is prepared after years of experience and market survey on customer needs and requirements. Now let's go over to the prices and upsells. You have the front end, VidBox commercial, $17. You get $3 discount and you can get the front end for $14. What are the features? You get almost all the features in the front end itself, like create unlimited video from text and add voiceovers up to 2000 characters scripts. That is the limitation you get with the front end. Create video by using keyword search to find images and add voiceovers. Create video by uploading pictures from your devices and adding voiceovers. Create video using your own video clips or stock images. Easy to use video editor to customize your videos. Add voiceover to any videos. Add background music to any videos. AI-based text-to-speech creation with tons of human and AI voices. Generate unlimited voiceover for up to 3500 characters. 75 plus voices and 30 plus languages. Customize the speed of the voiceover as per your needs. Like you can reduce it or increase the speed of the voiceover. Render video to different video qualities like HD, 320 pixels, etc. Add your brand logo or watermark to your videos. Share video directly to your YouTube Shorts. Store up to 2 GB of video, audio and other media files. 24/7 customer support. Commercial license is included and provides high in demand video creation service to your clients. And you also get bonuses, 4 exclusive bonuses in the front end itself. What is OTO 1? OTO 1 is Elite. And here you have 2 options. You can either go for monthly at $37 per month or you can buy outright at $67. And you have the features such as unlimited businesses, unlimited videos, additional 75 plus voices and 30 plus languages, and so on. You can go through it. You have also other things like downloading 10,000 plus media files. And there is an option in light version. Elite Lite is $47. Here there is some limitations. You don't get the unlimited one, but it is more than the front end. Then you have the OTO 2, which is a BIS drive. There's unlimited storage in this, and you can share your videos and files with elegant and SEO optimized sharing pages. These are the other things what you get apart from what you get in the other 2 OTOs. Secure your video and other media with password protections, etc. And you can add up to 10 in-house or freelancing team members in this, so you can work as a team. And the OTO 3 is a reseller version. Again, you have 2 options. VidBox 100 reseller license, which is costing you $67. Otherwise, you get the unlimited reseller license, which will be $97. You can see the features. OTO 4 is the agency. Again, there are 2 options in agency. You have 100 client agency license, that is $47, and you also get the unlimited license, which is $67. 100 unlimited agency license, no product sales page, marketing, material creations, quick start, software biz, and 3 steps keeps 100%. Keep 100% here of the profit, of course. And OTO 5 is the VidBox Premium membership. Again, you have 3 options. You can go in for monthly membership at $77 a month. You have a 3 installment plan at $247, or you have the premium membership one-time deal at $497. You can see the features: free flow customer journey, funnel builder, drag and drop website and landing pages. Well, all these things you can go on later on once you decide that the product is good for you. And with all this, you get 20 exclusive bonuses. When I get into the sales page, I will tell you what all these bonuses are. They are really awesome. So if you click here, we go to the sales page. So guys, here we are at the sales page. Starts with Ernest Felix special bonus for VidBoxs. Once you click and buy from my link, you'll get the special bonus. There are very few things which I would like to show you on the sales page, because you can see the sales page yourself at your leisure. It's quite exhaustive, but I would like to tell you the bonus and very few things in the sales page. These features you can go through yourself. As it is, you have spent quite a lot of time, so I wouldn't waste your time further. A quick scroll through. Yes, now comes a bonus. I'm going to read out all the 20 bonuses for you. I will not go into the details. The first bonus is Evergreen Infographic Pack. You will see they are all awesome. Bonus number 2, Find Your Niche. This is a very big task for especially beginners to find a correct niche that will suit them. So this will help you find the niche. Bonus number 3, Email Monetizer. How to monetize your email. Bonus number 4, Background 4K stock videos. Bonus number 5, Article Rewriter Pro version. Bonus number 6, 2 steps opt-in generator. Bonus number 7, Master Shorty. Bonus number 8, Video Marketing Unleashed. Bonus number 9, Video Marketing Domination. Bonus number 10, Unique Exit Pop-up. Bonus number 11, Convert Video Squeeze Page Creator. Bonus number 12, Featured Video Plus. Bonus number 13, Affiliate Marketing A to Z. Bonus number 14, Project Genius. Bonus number 15, eProfit Generator. Bonus number 16, Phoenix Podcast Studio. Bonus number 17, Easy Poll Creator. Bonus number 18, The Amazing Banner. Bonus number 19, 3D Box Templates V1. Bonus number 20, Miscellaneous Stock Photos. Don't worry if you can't understand the technical jargons. You'll learn everything once you go in and read these bonuses yourself. So that's a huge worth of about $2,285. It is raining bonuses. So what are you waiting for? You have a great opportunity ahead. Plus 20 bonus products. That is really worth the money you're spending to get these. Friends, I don't see any buyback guarantee in this, so I don't think there is any buyback guarantee. If you don't like the product, you'll stop it with a front end, but still enjoy all the exclusive bonuses. Right? So you're nothing much to lose. Maybe $14. Don't you think the bonuses that are given here are really worth much more than that? So now let's go into the demo video. You have a look at the demo video. After the demo video, we will conclude.
It has never been easier to create engaging YouTube short videos. But with VidBoxs, it's as easy as 1, 2, 3. Step 1. Choose. Log in to Access VidBoxs dashboard to create whiteboard video shorts by image search or by using your own video clips. Step 2. Create. Just copy-paste text script. or simply use keywords to find images or upload your own or use your own video clips to create engaging videos. Step 3. Publish and profit. Now publish your shorts on YouTube with a click to drive unlimited viral traffic and sales on any offer, page, or website. No installation, no video editing, or other techie stuff. It's easy, fast, and built with love. With VidBoxs, you can do much more. First, you can create highly engaging and professional short videos for YouTube. Then you can create high-quality, explanatory whiteboard video shorts by just adding your text and customizing font, color, and alignment. These videos are highly effective and informative. Create videos by images. Search images with keywords inside VidBoxs or upload your own images. Create videos from short video clips. You can use stock videos from VidBoxs library or can upload your own clips. Add voiceover or background music to any of your videos. Get an inbuilt AI-based text-to-speech converter with a total 0 of 75 plus human and AI voices in 30 plus languages, both for males as well as females. Add background music from VidBoxs library or upload your own. Use the spin content feature and modify the text to get unique and professional content for video and voiceover. No external tools are required. You can also customize the speed of voiceover as per your need with an inbuilt controller. Use the inbuilt easy-to-use video editor and customize your videos with video animation effects. Also, you set the video resolution as per your requirement and audience. Build your authority in the audience by adding watermarks and logos in the video. You can easily share the video on YouTube or can download it to use wherever you want. Isn't it amazing? Yes, this is a state-of-art solution and I'm sure that you will love it. Lastly, you don't need to spend a single dollar on expensive subscriptions or hire any freelancer for the video and voiceover creation. Everything is covered and runs on our ultra-fast, cloud-based platform. And in case you ever get stuck, we'll always be here for you with our customer support. So, I hope you are thrilled with the premium features I just shared with you.
So that's it, friends. I hope you liked my review on VidBoxs. Please subscribe to my channel for more reviews. Also, like my channel and share it with your friends. Thank you. Bye.